In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom animation in Canva. By the end of this, you will be able to create a smooth zoom effect using Canva pages, a split clip, and a matching transition. This technique works well for both simple graphics and videos, and it is a great way to add motion to presentations, social posts, and short animations. First, set up your starting point. Create your initial design, or upload your video if you want the zoom to happen during playback. Take a moment to decide exactly where the zoom should begin. You want the start point to feel natural, so it helps to watch your video briefly and locate the frame where you want the action to shift. Once you know the exact moment, position your playhead on the timeline at that point. If you are working with a video, you will split it at the exact moment you want the zoom to start. Right-click the timeline at that moment, then select Split Page. This creates two segments of the video or two pages in your design timeline. The first segment will play normally up until the split, and the second segment will be the part you will transform into the zoom-in view. After you split your video, the next step is to duplicate the page or clip. Duplicate your slide, or duplicate the second half of your split video. This duplication is important because you need a before and after view. The zoom effect will be created by transitioning between two similar pages, where the second page has a tighter, enlarged focus. Now you are ready to adjust the focus on the duplicated page. On the second page, select the elements you want to zoom into. If you have multiple items, group them together so they move and scale as one unit. You then drag the corners of the selected element or group to enlarge the graphic. As you scale it up, pay attention to how the content is framed. You want the part that will appear larger during the zoom to be clear and readable, not cut off awkwardly. As you enlarge and reposition, place the subject you want to zoom in on at the center of your canvas. Centering is the key detail here, because the transition will visually lock onto the focused area. If the important part is slightly off-center, the zoom can feel like it is drifting rather than focusing. So take your time and align it so the viewer sees exactly what you want them to see. Once the second page is properly scaled and centered, you will add the transition that creates the zoom feel. Next, use the Match and Move transition feature. Hover your mouse between the two pages on the timeline and click Add Transition. This is where Canva connects the first view to the second view. The goal is to make the change smooth, so the viewer perceives a natural camera zoom rather than a jump cut. When you see the transition options, choose Match and Move. This transition helps Canva recognize the elements across the two pages and move them in a way that looks like a zoom. After selecting it, give it a quick check. Scrub through the timeline, or preview your design to confirm that the zoom timing matches where you intended the split to happen. If the start point feels too early or too late, you can return to the split moment and adjust it, then recheck the transition. Finally, review the overall animation from start to finish. Watch how the first page plays, then how the second page zoomed-in view takes over. If the zoom area looks correct and the motion feels smooth, you are done. If something feels slightly off, the fix is usually about the second page positioning or scaling, so you can tweak those and the Match and Move transition will still carry the effect naturally. And that covers everything you need to know.